In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on Exness mobile app. Now, the only QR code you can actually scan is the one you can use to actually set up your Authenticator app. So you want to go to the bottom right and tap on Profile. And then from here in the top right, you can see there's like a settings cogwheel. You want to tap on that. And from here, if you scroll down a bit, here you can see security, and it's going to say security type. Now tap on this. And then from here, tap on change regarding, of course, regardless whatever you have there, and then set the Authenticator app by tapping on it and tap on next. When you do this here, it's going to give you authentication app. So as you can see, it's going to say you can download and install Google Authenticator. If you have it already, then of course you can use that on your mobile device. And then with your Google Authenticator, you can then basically scan the bottom QR code you can see at the bottom of my screen, and then you will basically get the code inside your Google Authenticator, which you'll have to fill in at the very bottom of your screen. So I'm not going to scroll down because of course you'll be able to scan my code that way, but still you get the point. It's actually very simple. Just scroll down, scan the code, and then inside Google Authenticator, you'll be able to then get the number which you put in, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.